Hello, this is Simon with RF Technologies, and in this video I'll be giving a short walkthrough for the live view settings on our Big Dog DVR systems. The live view is this screen here, showing your cameras. This can be customized with which cameras are shown and where. You may also export different views through other output methods using the live view settings, which are located under the System tab and under the Live View subtab. Here you can choose an output to customize in the drop-down menu. Depending on the model of DVR you own, you may also have different output options. These will match to output ports on the back of your DVR, such as here, there are HDMI/VGA and HDMI 2. Also an aux coax connection, which will be labeled as video out on the back of your DVR. How many cameras are shown on each output can be changed here in this little drop-down menu. And the dwell time will create a slideshow of your different camera views at the desired rate if you only want to show it a few at a time. And the volume is if you have audio. Next is the View tab. You can select an output from the drop-down menu here. And here you can customize which cameras are shown and where on the screen. Simply click the location and then click which camera you want to replace it with. And make sure it changes on the little screen here. Do it again, like that. You can also change how many cameras are going to be shown down here, like so. And that is about it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit our support page at shopbigdog.com for guides on other features, such as remote access or exporting footage. Thank you, and have a good one.